Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to disable push notifications on the Steam mobile application. If you're getting too many Steam alerts on your phone, here is how to disable push notifications on the Steam mobile app fast and easy. First, launch open the Steam application on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, tap on the menu or the three horizontal lines at the bottom right corner, and this will open up the menu tab. Now, go ahead and tap on the settings button from the menu page, and then once you open up settings, tap on push notifications. Now under push notifications, you'll see different types like chat messages, gift notifications, and so on. Toggle off the push notifications you want to disable. For example, if you don't want to receive any push notifications if there is a major sale, then you can toggle off the button right next to there is a major sale. You can also turn off other notifications according to your preference. All you need to do is to tap on the toggle button and make sure that it turns dark like this. If you see any toggle button turning blue, it means you have enabled the notification for that. Toggle off all the notifications that you want to disable, and then once you are done, you will be able to turn off push notifications for specific alerts on Steam. If you want to disable notifications from your system, you can open up the System Setting app from your mobile device, and from the settings, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Under Notifications, look for Steam application on the list, and then make sure to toggle off the button right next to Allow Notifications. Soon after you do that, your Steam application will now stay silent unless you turn the notification back on again. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.